Hello, good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about non-metals. We have know that a large number of elements are metals. There are only 22 non-metals, out of which 11 are gases, 1 is liquid, and the remaining 10 are solids. Hydrogen, carbon, sulfur, and nitrogen are examples of non-metals. The elements that do not exhibit the characteristics of metals are called nonmetals. Occurrence of nonmetals. Nonmetals exist as gases or solids. Most nonmetals are very reactive and exist in the combined state. However, some nonmetals occur in both the free state and the combined state. Oxygen and nitrogen occur in the free state in air and in the combined state in the earth crust. The noble gases helium, neon, argon, krypton, and xenon occur only in the free state. Most nonmetals are either mined directly from their mines or obtained as byproducts in some industrial process. Characteristic of nonmetals. Some important characteristics of nonmetals are as follows. Nonmetals are solid, soft, liquid, or gases. Nonmetals, except graphite, are non-conductors of heat and electricity. Solid nonmetals are brittle. Nonmetals, except graphite and diamond, have low melting and low boiling point. Nonmetals are electronegative elements. That is, nonmetals have a tendency to gain electrons and form negatively charged ion known as anion. Physical properties of nonmetals. Some common physical properties of nonmetals are given here. Physical state. Nonmetals may occur as solids, liquids, and gases at room temperature. For example, under normal conditions, sulfur, phosphorus are solids. Bromine is liquid, only bromine. Bromine is liquid, and oxygen, nitrogen, and hydrogen are gas. So bromine is the only nonmetals which is liquid in at room temperature. Okay, bromine is liquid nonmetal. Color. Nonmetal come in many colors. For example, sulfur is yellow, phosphorus is white or red, fluorine is greenish yellow, while oxygen, hydrogen, and nitrogen are colorless. Malleability and ductility. Nonmetals are neither ductile nor malleable. Nonmetals cannot be drawn into wires and beaten into leaves or sheets. Nonmetals are brittle. It breaks up into pieces when pressed hard or hammered. Density. Nonmetals usually have low densities and are soft. Diamond is an exception. Diamond is the hardest natural substance known. Diamond is very hard. Conductivity. Nonmetals do not conduct heat and electricity. That is, nonmetals are insulator. Graphite, however, is a good conductor of heat and electricity. So only graphite is good conductor of heat among nonmetals. Tensile strength. Nonmetals have low tensile strength, so this can be easily broken. Melting and boiling points. Nonmetals except graphite have low melting points. Except graphite, All nonmetals have low melting points. Chemical properties of nonmetals. Reaction with air. Nonmetals react with oxygen to give covalent oxides. Such oxides are either neutral or acidic in nature. Carbon, sulfur, etc. react with oxygen to form acidic oxides, which dissolve in water to form acids. Carbon plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide, and when carbon dioxide dissolve in water, form carbonic acid. Sulfur plus oxygen, when sulfur reacts with oxygen, form sulfur dioxide. Reaction with acids. Unlike metals, nonmetals as a rule do not replace hydrogen in acids. However, silicon reacts with hydrochloric acid, forming hydrogen. Silicon reacts with hydrochloric acids and form hydrogen and silicon tetrachloride. Sulfur reacts with hot concentrated nitric acid. Sulfur reacts with hot concentrated nitric acid to form sulfur dioxide and water. So sulfur plus nitric acid gives sulfur dioxide, nitrogen and water. Okay.